right, so it looks like we are ready to go. So let's unplug it. If I can get it to unplug. There we go. We'll close that. All right, we'll set her down. And I just wanted to show you that to get the manual, you've got to hit this QR code. So if we take our phone, and we have to go to photo, and then we have to, oh, it's facing the wrong way. We got to go like this, and then we can open it up. All right, so now we can see how to use this thing. It says download manual, user manual, okay, PDF. All right, there it is. So now we've got the manual for it. What's in the box? Okay, we got that. All right, so we know that's the lens. We know that's the reset button. I don't see any reset button on it. Or maybe it's on this side underneath that. Getting started. So power on and off. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The blue light will turn on and the device will vibrate. Once the device has entered standby mode, press the button for about 3 seconds again and the device will power off. Video record, all right? Power on the device, then quickly press the video button once. A blue light will flash slowly to indicate that it's now recording. To stop the recording and save the video, simply press the video button again. The device vibrates once and the blue light will stay on to signal that the recording has been stopped. Okay, that's pretty simple, right? Okay, so let's try that. All right, first we got to press and hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a vibration, right? Now, to do a video, we just press it once. And it vibrates, and it should be shooting video. Okay, so it's flashing. That must mean it's doing video. I'm hoping it's doing video. All right, to stop the video, we just press it. Okay, and then to turn it off, we would press this and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It vibrates, and then it should go off. And that's it. Now, if we're going to do some, to look at the video, what we would have to do is pull this out and then plug it in to this and then stick it in the computer and see how it worked, which we can do. So let's just do that. Okay, there's that. I'm going to pop it out. And it doesn't come out easy, I gotta say. Set it down. Now, for me to look at it, I gotta put it in here like that. And then we gotta shove it into the computer. All right, so I have Final Cut Pro in my Apple computer. You can see I just made a video unboxing this camera right here. But let's go ahead and let's put this in the back of the computer and we'll take a look at it. So I've got to go to the back here, and there's a little slot down here that I got to slip it in, just like that. I push it in. Got to make sure you get it in straight. So it sometimes doesn't want to go in straight. I think I got it. All right, then let's come back, and then we're going to go up here. I'm going to click on that. Oh, I got to go here first. Click on that, and I'm going to go to import. All right, so that's what I've done, right? I'm going to hit import, media, and then it's going to bring up another window. And then in that window, it should show me this. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on there. So let's close that out. Let's do it again. Let's pop it out. Let's push it in. Okay. All right, now let's see. Oh, see the disc. Okay, we get it. Let's see if it sees it now. This will be disappointing if I can't get the video up here. So it's got extreme Macintosh. So it's not really showing up on here. Let's see if we can see it in here. close this out. So this is disheartening because I can't seem to find this device on here. Because usually it would show up. If I go over here in my Finder, it should show up on the side over here. But it's not showing up. So that is not making me very happy. All right, so what I did was I plugged this in using the USB-C, and I put it in back here, and it shows no name. So now I think I can maybe take a look at this. Let's look at the video that pops up, and we'll watch it. All right, so that's the first little video that I got. Let's see the next one. It vibrates, and it should be shooting video. Okay, so it's flashing. That must mean it's doing video. I'm hoping it's doing video. All right, so stop the video. Let's stop it. So anyway, it looks like you can't read the card outside of the camera. So you're going to have to on the Mac, you're going to have to download your video off of the USB-C plugged in here and then plugged into the Mac back here. And that's how you do it. So we figured it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cameras like this. Peace out.